Visit our website startupstories.in for more inspirational stories and updates from the startup world. Startup Stories in association with Olook.in. Motivation is nothing but the enthusiasm, need and a burning desire to achieve a specific and a defined goal. Most people generally seek motivation from others who would inspire them to do something great. Today, we are talking about a man who is more than just an inspiration among millions. He is someone who struggled and failed but surged ahead in search of success, happiness and contentment. Just like any other middle-class guy, he too had a bunch of unclear dreams and a blurred vision of his goals in life. All he had was an undying learning attitude to hold on to and the courage and confidence of rowing through ups and downs. It was time that taught him the true meaning of his life. The person we are talking about today is an undisputed choice for Indian millennials for any source of motivation or courage. He is none other than Sandeep Maheshwari, and this is his success story. Sandeep was born in New Delhi and was gifted with a money-making mind whose traces can be found from his childhood days. He hailed from an opulent and respectable family who owned an aluminium business, and he witnessed the days of golden charm right from his childhood. However, the business soon collapsed and was completely devastated. His family looked upon him as one of the bread earners, and thus the onus was on to him to fill in this crucial time of need. And as expected by any young guy, he started doing everything he could to ensure that his family doesn't suffer. Right from joining a multi-level marketing company to manufacturing and marketing household products, he left no stone unturned. It was during this phase that he discovered the interest and the need to do something beyond any formal education. Well, in spite of being a brilliant student, he opted to drop out of Kirorimal College in Delhi in the third year of his BCom degree. As he began his journey, he was greatly influenced by the glamour and sparks of the modeling world and started his career as a model at the age of 19. However, he was soon subjected to the exploitation and harassment in the world of fad and fake sparkle. He then went on to take a 2-week course on photography, but this did not contribute to much of emotional and career contentment either. It was then he burned the flame of desire to bring about a change in this modeling world, and thus he set up his own company called Mash Audio Visuals Private Limited. Under this company, he would make portfolios of modeling aspirants. Later, he started another company along with his friends in the year 2002. However, he had bitter experiences even with this company, which eventually had to shut down within 6 months of its launch. But Sandeep was not the kind of person to give up so easily. He was still determined to do something that people would love. As he believed in the concept of sharing, he summed up his entire experience in a book on marketing, and all this while he was only 21 years old. It was the year 2003 that changed things drastically for Sandeep Maheshwari. He created a world record by knocking down an Herculean task of taking more than 10,000 shots of 122 models in just 10 hours and 45 minutes. But as expected, he did not stop just here. His focus was not diluted by the glamour and the temporary adulation he got. Rather, this fueled his innate desire to revamp the modeling world further. He then translated his thoughts and ideas into reality and launched Images Bazaar. The year was 2006 and there was nothing like a swanky office and an army of employees working back then. Sandeep, being the way he is, he took up the job of multitasking, being the counselor, telecaller and a photographer all by himself. He paved his way forward, and today, Images Bazaar is the world's largest collection of Indian images with over 1 million images and more than 7,000 clients across 45 countries. Sandeep Maheshwari has single-handedly brought this paradigm shift into the modeling world. Countless models have been successfully launched, with words like exploitation and harassment sidelined to a large extent. It was this life-changing endeavor that made him one of the most renowned entrepreneurs of India. at a young age of only 29. Well, apart from being a successful entrepreneur, he is someone who has taken up the responsibility to be a guide and a mentor for millions of people across the world. People love and adore him for his great mission of making everybody believe in them and helping people to make their life easy. He is often regarded as a youth icon and a role model for millions of people who have been greatly inspired by him. His unshakable faith in the divine power grants him all the strength to prosper. Being at the helm of success, it is quite astonishing to know that money does not lure him at all. And that's why profits don't drive his organization. It's an emotional bonding with each and every person working in the company that matters for him the most. Capable of building an entire new industry or an organization, he is satisfied to adhere to his self-made benchmark that states that if you have more than you need, simply share it with those who need it the most. Well, with a completely distinct aura than any other person of his age and stature, he rose above the rat race and broke through the age-old myth of life is tough with the simple mantra Aasan hai, cherishing all the bad experiences to be the great turning points of his life. His experience comes from bad experiences. Sandeep believes that whether you start from a rupee or a million, the most important thing is to start, and that too with your own money. His vision is to ignite and inspire the entrepreneurial spirit of tomorrow's leaders and to help them succeed. It is his diligent focus, the great support of his family and the faith of his team that totally keeps him going. Startup Stories wishes Sandeep Maheshwari and the team of Images Bazaar all the very best and hope he keeps inspiring many more generations to come. Hey guys, after having received so many requests from you all to do a biography on Sandeep Maheshwari, here we are finally, and we really hope you liked it. Do let us know whose story do you want to see next in the comment section below, and we'll soon have it uploaded on this channel. For more inspirational stories and updates from the startup world, visit our website startupstories.in. Until then, stay motivated.